What's up everyone, Willie Apple here, and today I am going to show you how to dual boot macOS Monterey and macOS Ventura. So why would you want to do this? macOS Ventura is still in beta and it's going to release this fall. But what if you wanted to test macOS Ventura early? Well, what you can do is dual boot if you really don't want to deal with the bugs on your main workflow. So what you want to do is you want to open up Safari. They changed it a little bit this year. So what you want to do is go to the link I provided in the description. I'll change it every time Apple releases a new installer. So it's apple.com, and what you want to do is go to it, press allow. It will install something directly from Apple's website called installassistant.pkg. Now just to let you know, this is 12 gigabytes, so it will take a while to download. Alright, while it's downloading, what we can do is we can make our partition for macOS Ventura. So let me show you how to do that. Alright, what you want to do is you want to do command space and search up disk utility. It should show up when you do DIS. It might show display settings, but disk utility, wait for it to load, and then what you want to do is go to this view option right here and show all devices. Then you want to go to container disk, press the plus button here and call it whatever you want, and make sure it's APFF, and then press add. Press done once you're done, and you're going to see Ventura right here. So what we need to do now is wait for this to finish downloading. Alright, it finally is done downloading, and you want to open up Install Assistant. You'll see it open up in Installer. What you want to do is press continue, install, enter your password, let it install, press close, and then you're going to want to open up Launchpad. You're going to see this thing right here that says install macOS Ventura Beta. What you want to do is click it. We're going to wait for it to load. It will take a little bit to load, and then you're going to see macOS Ventura Beta. So if you have upgraded to macOS before, you'll notice that this is what it will look like. But this year, they're doing something a little bit different. So as long as you've been keeping your Mac up to date, when you press upgrade now, you're not going to get this pop-up anymore. You're just going to restart right away. So what you want to do is you want to press continue, agree, and then you want to press show all disks, and then look for the one that you found right here. So Ventura, I'm going to press continue. I'm going to set your user account right here, press install, and then enter your password. Alright, so once it is done, it will prompt you with this, and it's going to reboot your Mac. And then it's going to finish and show a screen like this. So you're just going to want to set up like it's new. So I'm going to continue, not now, select your Wi-Fi network, and then you're going to see this, press continue, not now. I'm not going to sign in with my Apple ID, but you can if you want to. I'm just going to set up later, skip, agree, and then you're going to want to do this option, and then continue. Enter the password. I'm not going to enable location services, don't use, and then select your time zone. I am in Denver, Colorado, so I'm just going to do that. Then continue, set up later, and actually I'm going to continue, because why not? Continue, I'm just going to do voice 4.
I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
I'm going to set up that later, not now, continue, why not? I don't know what I like. I like both. I'm gonna go with light mode for this one since my main is dark. And it's going to finish just like that. And you're gonna see this pop up a lot, so you don't actually need to. It's also gonna show up in your main partition. So Feedback Assistant basically allows you to send feedback to Apple. For example, if you find a bug or want a feature, you can suggest it in Feedback Assistant. Now every time you restart your Mac, you're gonna notice that it's going to boot up into macOS Ventura. But what if we don't want that? Let me show you right here, and you see right here, it's in Ventura as you can see with the background. So what I'm gonna do is show you how. So what you wanna do is shut down your Mac, wait for it to turn off, look at your FN key. If it has a globe, that means you have an Apple Silicon Mac. If not, you have an Intel Mac. So if you have a globe on your key, you're gonna wanna press and hold this, and just hold it. If you don't have a globe, you wanna press and hold Command and power at the same time. I have a globe on mine, so I'm just gonna press and hold this until it turns on. It says continue holding for startup options, and then loading startup options, that means you can let go, and you're gonna see Macintosh HD and the partition that you went in. So I'm gonna go into my macOS Monterey one, and now every time you turn on your Mac, it's gonna boot into macOS Monterey now. As you can see right here, we are now in macOS Monterey, and I'm gonna enter my password real fast, and you see this pop-up right here like we did in Ventura. So you don't actually need to deal with this, you can press cancel. But if you don't want to see this again, just remember this password in my keychain, and then enter your password for your Mac. Now, just in case it does not boot into macOS Monterey every single time, what you can do is open up System Preferences, go to Startup Disk, Unlock, and you're going to want to do Macintosh HD, press Unlock, and enter the password that you for Macintosh HD. Should be the same if you did the same thing as me. And you see right there, it will now boot into Macintosh HD every single time. And anytime you want to go into Ventura, all you gotta do is press and hold the power button, and or the command key if you don't have this icon right here, and that's all you gotta do. So thanks for watching, comment, like, and subscribe, share it with your friends, and I'll see you in another video. Bye!